Let's see if she eats today. This is the first day she's actually eating since Saturday. Nope, there she goes. No, Moya, stop. She's been, oh, nope, there she goes. She's going to dump them out.
Should we stop her?
I'm recording. Well, she's eating better than she has been the last 5 days. Oh, nope, there she goes. Just dumped them. That's not her normal way of eating. She usually sucks everything right down. Even Joy, who normally eats slow, is eating faster than she is. Of course, Jack sucked his down like no tomorrow. Angel's finished. Josh always eats slow. Oh, she's done. That's the end of it. And let's see how much is left. Yep, she did not eat very much. Maybe not quite half. Are you done, Candy? That's it? You made a mess? And you're leaving it. Joy beat you. Joy is done. And you are still not done. Okay. We'll pick it up.